Hi, good morning guys. It's been a while, but since today I have some time, so I quickly catch this opportunity to quickly do this video. So now I'm totally barefaced, and then I want to begin with my skincare and then move on to all my makeup procedures. So let's quickly get started. Change my camera, so this is not the usual one, so probably the color and the quality may be slightly different from the usual camera. So in case if you are wondering why there is a difference in this video as compared to the previous one, yes, because I changed my camera already. So do let me know also if you think that this camera is better, or what is the difference, or whether if you think that this camera is alright. Anyway, I will be using this from now onwards, but I would also like to know what you think about this camera and the video quality of this camera. So if you have any opinions on this, do let me know. So now I already put on my toner. As I shared with you guys in my previous video of this Mercier primer, right, and the cushion. So today I will want to try this out for a whole day to see if it's long lasting enough, because I'm going out today. So I'll use this as my moisturizer as well as my primer and also my sunblock to save time. So let's see if this combination today really worked for a whole day makeup. So let's quickly move on to apply this. I want to try this out also to see whether if it's hydrating enough to replace as a moisturizer and sunblock, so that I don't have to apply so many layers before putting on my makeup. Because having kids now, if you want to go out, you have to be very quick to save time. Then you have to prepare kid stuff. So if this really works, then it really saves a lot of my time. Then I think this will be something, this product will be something good for me as a replacement of moisturizer and sunblock. Whether if it's long lasting to give you enough hydrating and protection from UV rays, we will check it out today. I may not record the video of like the effects after every few hours, but I will leave my comments in the description under this video to also let you know whether this combination of the Mercier primer and the MAC cushion, if this is really long lasting for summer weather. So if you're interested to know my comments or my review of this combination for whole day makeup, do check out my description box for this video. Let's wait for it to rest for a bit before we apply the foundation. And I really appreciate that you guys enjoy my previous video, the encouragement you all gave me under the comments. I really appreciate it very much. Your encouragement to me really motivates me to continue doing the videos. Next, I will be moving on to today's main product, which is my first Tilbury eyeshadow palette. I bought this. This is my first time using Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, and those YouTubers that I followed, they keep mentioning that, oh, this Charlotte Tilbury palette is really very good, so it really worth the price paid. If you guys don't know, Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow is pretty expensive. This is a 4 shades eyeshadow palette, and I bought the popular shade, which is their signature, the Pillow Talk. So since many mentioned that it is really good and it has really good reviews of the eyeshadow palette, so I decided to try one, and I bought it during the Sephora member sale. Let's try out to see if this is really good or it's just so-so. The packaging really looks very elegant. It's brown color with a little bronze copper design in the middle with the initials of Charlotte Tilbury, CT. So this is really very simplistic and very elegant for the packaging. And then at the back they have description of the shades and how to use their eyeshadow palette. So when you open it up, there is a mirror and then the eyeshadow themselves. So at one glance, I really think the eyeshadows are really pretty, but I'm not sure when it's on your eyelid how does it look like. See, and the casing, really everything is really nicely done. Let's try out the texture first. These are the 4 shades. The texture and the pigmentation of the eyeshadow is really good. Like you see, even for the glitter and the matte, these two are matte and these two are the glittery one. This is more of shimmer, and this brown pinkish shade will be the glitter color. So the color are really very nice, and texture, pigmentation are really very nicely done. If just by one glance, the color are pretty similar. It's just like same shades with different gradient and different texture. When you really swatch on your hand, these two really have a great difference. I like the color and the texture of the eyeshadow. Just by the swatch, just by swatching it on my hand, I really think that yeah, the quality is really good as compared to those drugstore priced eyeshadows. Alright, so let's try it on the lids to see if it's really good and easy to use. So firstly, I will just apply the lightest shade on overall on my lids. I'll use this shade within my double eyelid. Now I'll slowly just blend it a bit. I'll use the same shade to put on my underlid as well. It's more obvious for the under eye. Then we'll move on to the darker shade, this one, at the end of my eye to do cornea, to give it a little more gradient to it. And slowly blend it up. Then I'll use my finger to tap on this glitter. Let's try it on the upper lid then. Brings more shine, right? Oh. I just tap it a little in just above my eyeball. Oh, the glitter really makes your eyelid look very pretty. And then I will use the clean side to do the blend, so that there will be no edges around. And then I also apply a little bit more to my eye corners. So even though I'm impressed with the glitter and the glow, but the color gradient is not so great. Probably just for this pillow top that the gradient and the contrast is not so great, but maybe for other shades you may see a very great difference, and you can play along more with the different shades to come up with different makeup look. But this one is really very ordinary, to be honest, because the shades, they are really pretty individually. They are really very pretty, and the glitter, everything, the quality is really very good. But in particularly for this pillow top, it cannot really do that much of like a very different makeup look. It gives you a very normal, sweet looking pinkish makeup look only. So I will quickly move on to complete the makeup before we summarize for today. Alright, so this is my makeup look today. So a little bit orangey eyes with this. This is supposed to be more of like a nude color, but I don't know why it looks more orangey on screen. The shade name is In Love with Olivia. The color is really very pretty, and you can match any kind of makeup look with this kind of lipstick shade. Let's summarize for today's video. So this Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, my first impression and my review of this product. The packaging is really very pretty, although you can see fingerprints on it because it's on the glossy casing side. But the packaging is very nice and the design is very elegant. The quality of the product is very good. Regardless the matte or the shimmer or the glitter, they really did very good job, and it's really very pretty. Even on your lids it looks very glossy and nice, and it's easy to blend. So for beginners or people who seldom do makeup, if you are not so skilled, even with this eyeshadow palette you can do a very pretty eye look. But then as you can see, I think it's not so versatile. The color and the shades didn't really give you a very good contrast also. It's just very normal to me. It's just that the quality is really good, but like I say, maybe because pillow talk, the gradient is not so great, so it's not so versatile to do different makeup look. But maybe for other different shades, you can do something different. You can mix and match and you can come up with different eye look. But for me, even I use up all the colors in this palette for Pillow Talk, this is the maximum I can do about it. So for now, my first impression is that this shade doesn't really give you a very impressive eye makeup, but quality wise it's really very pretty. You can use it for daily makeup, you can use it regardless whatever occasion, regardless is party, regardless whether you are going for casual. This makeup look you can go for anywhere, any occasion. So if you are looking for something that you can use every day, definitely this Pillow Talk can do the job as well. But if you are looking for something that, oh, I paid so much money for this eyeshadow palette, I want something that I can make use of to do different eye look, I can use it for different purposes, or I can come up with maybe at least 2 or 3 different type of makeup look, then this Pillow Talk will not be something that suits you. So this may be something that you want to consider because of the price. The price is not really cheap. I think before discount, this eyeshadow palette alone is $90 Sing dollar. So with $90 you can actually buy a lot of stuff instead of just getting one eyeshadow palette. But anyway, this is just one eyeshadow palette that I've tried, and it's just one shade, which is the Pillow Talk. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoy today's video with this makeup look and my review and first impression of Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. Hope you guys enjoy today's video, and do subscribe or like my video if you really enjoy them. Then leave your comments below for me to let me know what else you may be interested in, or what other products you may be interested in that I should share, or let me know what kind of topic or what kind of videos you may want to see from my channel. I am very open to opinions and comments, so feel free to share with me what you think about my channel or what you want to see in my future videos, and I will definitely consider them. Alright, that's all for today, and I'll see you again. Bye bye!